Hey, a lot of people reach out to us every day asking, Jason, how do we start the home buying process or the home building process? Well, today we're going to briefly touch base on that and get you started. So what happens with the home buying process, a lot of people just don't know where to start. Thanks. Number one agent. So starting that home buying process is pretty simple. The only thing you have to do is just reach out to us, and then we're going to set the appointment, basically kind of just go over the home buying process and what that looks like. So it's pretty simple. Just set the appointment, meet with us. We'll go over the different steps of the home buying or building process, get you set up and go in the right direction. So basically once we set that appointment, step one is we're going to be meeting at the office just to kind of go over the process. You know, whether you're looking for a new home or you're building. The main thing is we're going to get you set up with your lender and work on the pre-approval process, get that pre-approval done, and then we can start the home search process. So it's finding that property that's going to work for you in an exact location, or if it's a new build, then we got to look at different floor plans, different lots, and see what fits for you and your family. And then after that, it's putting the home under contract, getting it closed, that way it'd be in your brand new property. So if you enjoyed our video, make sure you click like and subscribe. That way you'll be alerted each time we put up a new video. Thanks for watching.